Very nice question.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Sorry, yesterday also I tried to ask, but you were a very crowded place in that time. So I came only for this question. Not question, sir. What do you feel? Actually, the first brother Omar, he mentioned something allegations on you on the Facebook and other places. We are putting our time to defending them and defending Islam as well as Dr. Zakir Naik, whatsoever. In such cases, rulings, just like the brother he asked, ruling for telephotic marriage or ruling for proper bail or other fiqhi or istihadi matters. In those cases, what people think that they ask question and you answer. They think Dr. Zakir Naik said this. So if anything comes directly, they come to you. Can you mention on those places, means that according to Imam this, Imam that, whatever means according to these scholars, such and such rulings are coming. So this is not my own fatwa. It means you should say that on that time. It will be easy for us to defend them, that he is not putting his own opinion. He is referring the opinion of such and such ulama and scholars. Jazakallah khair.
Brother asked the question that whenever a reply is given by me, if it's a fiqhi issue, then giving the reference of ulama is important. If it's a verse of the Quran, I give the verse of the Quran. He is the best of knowledge, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then comes the hadith. All this, there's no Quranic verse saying telephone pe allowed hai, cannot allowed hai. There's no hadith saying allowed hai, cannot allowed. Then scholars have got together and have given the ruling. Now, when this comes, if any verse, if you ask me alcohol, I'll give you the reference. If you ask me 2 witnesses required, I'll give you the reference. I'll give you the reference of talaq, which is their part. But telephone, there's no telephone mentioned in the Quran. There's no telephone mentioned in the hadith. So therefore, there is ijtihad. And when the ijtihad is done, it is so common. For example, you ask me television allowed or not. So if I tell you television is allowed, saying wrong thing is not allowed. This is based on, you ask which scholar said, I will not be able to lend, of course, it's simple common sense. Because there is no verse in the Quran saying television per se is haram. If you ask me on photography, I can tell you, Sahih Bukhari says that the tasveer is not allowed, but that tasveer refers to the hand painting, it refers to the sculpture, but the word television per se is not there. So whenever this thing comes, it is a general consensus. And in this matter, there is no requirement. If there is an issue, for example, whether Rafatan should be done or not, then I'll tell you Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Salah. There are no less than 11 hadith in Bukhari which say Rafatan should be done. Or Amin should be said loudly. But these issues are just general issues which you have to put your sense to it. So every time, again, if I say a scholar, you don't believe in that scholar, the allegation will yet come. If I say Bin Baz said that, or Utaymi said that, or Ibn Taymiyyah, he's a Salafi, he's a this, he's a that, he's a Wahhabi, that will never end. What we believe, we do the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we do the work of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As far as we are concerned, when anyone, there was a time initially when people wrote articles again we used to reply. Now what we do, when anyone writes against, we see is there any guidance for us. We are human beings, we can make mistakes. So anyone writes article, I tell my staff, read it. Is there anything in which we have to correct? If not, leave it. Because there are so many other people replying, including yourself, mashallah. So when the mujahids are there, why should we waste our time? Because if we do that, we'll have to stop our work and keep on replying. They want us to discontinue our good work. So other people who are free are replying, alhamdulillah. So we as a policy don't reply also. But if you go on the website which are anti-Zakir Naik and you see in the remarks, majority remarks are against that side. Majority remarks, comments are against that side. And here, alhamdulillah, what we say, therefore we have open question and session. What you have to point out, okay, here Dr. Zakir Naik has said, based on this verse of the Quran, chapter number so and so, hadith number so and so, you see it. If it's a mistake, we'll rectify. It is mainly based on their view or their part of Islam. Alhamdulillah, you should realize that when we do the work of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and when we speak the haqq, there's bound to be people who are going to criticize. That should not put you down. Those who are replying, let them continue replying. We are doing a particular work. If we start replying, then I won't be able to do other work. I won't be able to do lectures, I won't be able to handle the Peace TV. So alhamdulillah, now there are so many warriors of Islam already throughout the world and they're doing their job, alhamdulillah. So may Allah give you jaza khair for replying what you can. You do what you can, inshallah Allah will take care of it. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.